In this video, I will show you how you can remove Family Link on any Samsung tablet. Now, as you can see, Family Link has been enabled on our Samsung tablet. Now, to turn off Family Link, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Google. From here, just tap on your Gmail ID and select Manage your Google account. On this page, just scroll down and tap on Data and Privacy. At the bottom of the page, you will find the option of Delete your Google account. Just tap on Delete Google account, then enter your lock screen PIN or pattern. Now from here, just scroll down and select Yes, I acknowledge that I am responsible, and yes, I want to permanently delete this Google account. Then tap on Delete Account, and as you can see, we have successfully deleted our Google account. Now if I go to the home screen and if I open the Google Play Store, as you can see, we are logged out of our Google account. Now the next step is that we will recover the deleted Google account. For that, just go back to the Google Play Store and tap on Sign In. Now just enter your lock screen PIN or pattern, and in this section just enter your Gmail address. After that, just tap on Next, and as you can see, this account has been deleted. Now to recover this account, just tap on Next and enter the password of the Gmail address. After that, just tap on Next. Now as you can see, it is saying to recover this account, we will have to visit this website. Now let's go to the home screen and let's open the web browser app. Now in the search bar, just search this. Now in this section, just enter your Gmail address, then tap on Next. Now as you can see, this account has been deleted. Now to recover it, just tap on Next. Then enter the password of the Gmail address. Then tap on Next and tap on Continue. And as you can see, we have successfully recovered the deleted Google account. Now let's go to the home screen, and if I open the Google Play Store, now just sign into your Google account which we have recovered. Now as you can see, we have successfully recovered the deleted Google account. Now after you sign into your Gmail account, then just tap on the profile icon in your Google Play Store and go to Settings. From here, just tap on Family, then tap on Parental Controls. Now just disable this toggle, and after that, just create a PIN to disable this toggle. Now I will create this PIN, then tap on OK. Now just enter the PIN one more time to confirm the PIN, then select OK. And after you do that, you will completely disable parental controls and the Family Link on your tablet, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.